Hello everyone. Today we will study the basics of Python programming language. Topics covered in this video: character set, tokens, keywords, identifiers, literals, operators, punctuators, data type. A program is a set of instructions that governs the processing in any programming language. Computer works on IPO cycle. We provide input to the computer processes it, and in the end we get the output. Character set. Character set is a set of characters. Characters can be letter, digit, or any special symbol. Letters from A to Z, digits 0 to 9, special characters, asterisk, hash, curly braces, bracket, open bracket, space, tab, all these are character set. Next is token. Token is the smallest unit in a program. It is meaningful to the compiler or interpreter. Now there are different type of tokens: keywords, identifiers, literals, operators, punctuators. Like our body is made up of small cells, cell is the smallest unit of our body. Cell is the basic unit. Cells are the building blocks of life. Similarly, program is made up of small tokens. So all these topics we will discuss one by one. First is keyword. Keyword are also known as the reserved word. Literals. Literals को हम constant भी बोलते हैं, जिनकी वैल्यू चेंज नहीं हो सकती. String literal, which are enclosed in a single quotes or double quotes. For example, A, Rahul, 534, 543.75. All these are enclosed in a single quotes or double quotes. Next is numeric literal. Numeric literals are all the numbers. For example, any integer, it can be either positive or negative integer, or long, or float, or complex number. Next is Boolean literal. Boolean literals can be either true or false. Next topic is operators. This we have already covered in our previous classes. Operators are the special symbols which perform computation, mathematical calculation. Now different type of operators are arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, bitwise operator, membership operator, identity operator, assignment operator. Next is punctuators. Punctuators क्या होते हैं? ये जो brackets होते हैं, curly brackets, open brackets, parenthesis, at the rate, all these are punctuators. Next very important topic, structure of Python program. हम program को कैसे लिखते हैं? So as you can see, program के अंदर जो है commands भी हो सकते हैं, function भी हो सकता है, expression भी हो सकते हैं, statements, program जो है statement से बनी होती है. So all these things you should know. What is a command? They provide additional information. Commands can be either single line command or multi-line command. Commands are just for the understanding of the user, and it is not displayed in the output. They are ignored by the compiler or interpreter. For example, जैसे हम कोई भी प्रोग्राम लिख रहे हैं for addition of two numbers, तो हम स्टार्टिंग में लिख देंगे program for the addition of two numbers. Next is expression. Expression is a combination of variable, constant and operators. An expression provides something that is evaluated by the Python and represent appropriate result. For example, you can see x is equal to 15, y is equal to x minus 2 into 4, z is equal to x plus z minus 10 if x is greater equal to y. How do we assign a value? To assign a value to a variable, equal to sign is used. हम value assign कर रहे हैं. For example, हम value assign कर रहे हैं name is equal to Riya, marks is equal to 95.5, roll number is equal to 25. So we have assigned value 25 to a variable roll number. We can also assign same value to multiple variables. How we assign same value to multiple variables? For example, a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to 25. तो इन सब में हमने जो है a को भी 25 वैल्यू असाइन करी है, b को भी 25 वैल्यू असाइन करी है और c को भी 25 वैल्यू असाइन करी है. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज इनपुट फंक्शन एंड प्रिंट फंक्शन. What is input function? Input function is used to take input from the user. How do we take input from the user? For example, we have written marks is equal to input, enter marks. So we are telling the user to enter the marks. Print statement. This function is used to display output on the screen. अगर हमें स्क्रीन में कोई भी वैल्यू को डिस्प्ले करना है तो हम प्रिंट फंक्शन को यूज़ करेंगे. हमने जैसे यहाँ पे लिखा प्रिंट हेलो वर्ल्ड. So hello world will be printed on the screen. For example, x is equal to 2. Print bracket में हमने लिखा x plus 2 into 6. ठीक है, तो वैल्यू क्या आएगी? दैट इज 14. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज डेटा टाइप. डेटा टाइप मतलब हम किस टाइप का डेटा हम यूज कर रहे हैं प्रोग्राम में. Data type identifies the type of data which a variable can hold and the operations that can be performed on those data. Data types, numbers, sequence, sets, mappings. नंबर्स, अगर हमें जैसे कोई भी नंबर एंटर करना है, इंटीजर एंटर करना है, और इट कैन बी आइदर पॉजिटिव इंटीजर और नेगेटिव इंटीजर. नेक्स्ट अगर हमें कोई डेसिमल नंबर एंटर करना है, डेसिमल वैल्यू एंटर करनी है. नेक्स्ट इज कम्प्लेक्स नंबर जिसमें इमेजिनरी नंबर्स जो होते हैं. नेक्स्ट जो हम अलग से चैप्टर पढ़ेंगे दैट इज स्ट्रिंग लिस्ट टपल्स. ठीक है, तो हम अलग से चैप्टर्स पढ़ेंगे इसके बारे में इन डिटेल, स्टडी देम. नेक्स्ट इज डिक्शनरी